Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I'm going to be reading an article from Danny Martin Girard. Speak to your adversity. Often, when challenges arise, we focus on it so much we give it all our attention, thereby creating more of the same reality, or worse. The more we focus on it, believe it, and expect it, we attract it into our life. By the perpetuation of our negative thinking, we cannot find a means of escape, and we dwell only on others' perspectives. We give someone our power and give up altogether. Whatever man thought was impossible, at one point man surprised us and achieved the impossible. So why dwell on can't-dos when we have the evidence in front of us that it can be done? Because we get tired, we become immersed in our challenges and pain. Thinking about it so much, it creates more of the same reality. We start to accept others' opinions that it's too difficult or impossible, and we lose our power. The only power we have is from within, through our thoughts, words, and actions. By our reaction, we change everything, including the events and circumstances in our life. We can choose to react in faith or pessimism, which is an act of fear. Pessimism says it cannot be done. Pessimism says there's no hope. There's only two choices. One says, I can do it. The other voice of pessimism focuses on all the worst outcomes in life. The more we focus on can-dos, the more we focus on possibility and faith. The more we focus on possibility and faith, the more we act on our beliefs and speak about our beliefs. The more we change our beliefs over time, the more we grow and don't remain stagnant. Changing our beliefs starts by going beyond what others say and seeking within. Seeking within says, I have my own intuition, and I don't need others to tell me what I can or cannot do. I can set the course and choose my destiny. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I love this article. Very, very inspiring. Thank you so much. And I hope everybody else enjoyed it as much as I did. And until next week, have a beautiful week and have a beautiful day today. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart and Danny's heart. With all the love in the world. Have a beautiful week and a beautiful day.